Hello, how are you, my friend and my viewers, my guys? Welcome to my new video, the how to create a YouTube channel. All those are the whole people in the world searching YouTube, but a lot of people know that YouTube, how create an YouTube, make an YouTube, etc., etc. Presentation my new videos, the how to create YouTube channel. Okay, this is my videos thumbnail. I'm opening the Google, the search www or youtube.com, but Google search only YouTube. This is the open the YouTube. The interface, the YouTube, the interface YouTube. I see my computer, the total guideline, the YouTube channel create, how to create a YouTube channel, tutorial 2002. First time this YouTube logo, the number one needed a Gmail account. Channel logo, very important part, channel logo, channel banner, channel description, channel setting, channel content, the last video upload, video playlist, video SEO, thumbnail, add card, end skin, total the YouTube solution. The how to need first time the Gmail account or Gmail Google account or Gmail account, the opening the Gmail account, the create a Gmail account, but my hands is the YouTube channel, your channel. First time we need it, very important part, the YouTube banner, YouTube logo, the very important YouTube logo, YouTube banner, name, as your content, you provide this the name. Same things, your custom, the channel keyword, videos, about, playlist, home, etc., etc. Just time needed the any person, by any people, by any guides, any students. First time needed the one Gmail account, the how to open Gmail account, the login the www.youtube.com, same things login, this logo, create your channel, was your channel, but I have hand this the one channel create a lot of videos, my channel, the how to create an YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel, the first time the open YouTube to create a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is the first time, very important part of YouTube. Number one, the needed a Gmail account, channel logo, channel banner, channel description, channel setting, channel content, video uploading, video playlist, video SEO, search engine optimization, thumbnail, add card, editing cards, and in the skin. This is a system of YouTube channel. You are the make money, how to gain the YouTube. YouTube is a very important AdSense. YouTube very make money of AdSense present time the whole world. Then of the creating the YouTube channel, very easy and simple, just one Gmail account is www.youtube or Google search YouTube search this when I can settings my channel, custom my channel opening. This is logo creation, the Canva, www.canva.com, canva.com, created design channel, channel art opening, YouTube channel logo. You have the freely design, channel art, channel logo, channel art, channel logo. the Canva default the channel art, channel logo, thumbnail. The first time needed every person the channel logo. Channel logo very easily easily free creation. The Canva the lot of default the YouTube logos, lot of logos. Just one kind any logos is just lot of logo, just is in your lot of logo this Canva or free Canva fishing channel, etc., etc. Anyone, just I can see just one channel, your channel name, your channel logo, design of logo. Canva is a very important logo. Same things, channel art, the default lot of channel art default. You can design the channel art, your niche related the creative channel art, your niche related creative channel art, just channel art. Oh, sorry. Your niche related channel art, the default lot of this the channel logo, channel art, etc., etc. You name for the channel. That's I can creating my just a testing channel, the testing channel, the channel art. Just I am the gaming channel, FF gaming gaming channel is the subscribe, just subscribe others. The settings, custom. I create a custom setting. Then of the settings, we must be needed the general setting US dollar, must be US dollar, US dollar must be select US dollar, and channel country must be United States of America. The channel keyword, your related niche, the keyword channel keyword setting, etc., etc. The save button. Okay, the first time the channel layout is the channel layout, the uploading the channel logo, the channel layout, the banding is uploaded, must be the channel logo, and the channel banner image must be the channel banner, and uploading the your video container logos, etc. The basic information is very important. You have this sum talk right to now. This is the the writing your channel, this channel information, your channel keyword, etc., etc. But very easy and simple way. YouTube channel must be very important part, part very important part. I'm again to repeat my language. The number one needed the Gmail account, channel logo. Very important is the channel logo. Very important part is the channel logo, the channel banner. Very important part. Very important is the channel logo, channel banner, Gmail account. Okay. The second, channel description. Channel description, channel setting, channel content, video upload, video creating the video playlist, video SEO, thumbnail editing card, etc. Total complete the guidelines, the how to create a YouTube channel. First time you needed the number one the Gmail account on Google account. The second time needed your channel logo. The third time needed your channel banner. The fourth time needed your channel description, channel setting, channel creation, last video uploading. Video is uploading the video playlist, create a video playlist, video SEO, thumbnail video, and skin, etc., etc. But very simple way, and very simple way. Any person they use the create in the YouTube channel, www.youtube.com. You open the your Gmail the your name content, your username, your logo, your YouTube logo, YouTube banners, how to some setting the custom, create a custom channel. That channel is a first time is setting your Settings, the first time need US dollar. The channel countries must be your countries, your name of your country selected, USA, UK, Australia, Canada, etc., etc. Then of the channel keyword, you initiated channel keyword, and the complete channel setting. The third time is layout your the video. Select the branding. Branding is the first time uploading your channel logo. The second, your banner, very important, channel art. uh, the fourth time, the basic information, your channel description, how write to your channel description. You initiated that off to your channel description. The very easily, how my friend, very easily how to create a YouTube channel, like them very easy, simple. But your channel related, the follow them must be your channel logo, channel banner, channel description, channel setting, channel contain the video playlist, etc., etc. So thank you very much. Very simple and very easy way, the YouTube channel creation, easy way the YouTube channel creation. Thanks to again my all participant. Thanks to again my all student. Must be your choosable my videos, the subscribe and comments, etc., etc. I am video stop the last time. The repeat my talk again. The how to create a YouTube channel tutorial 2022. The YouTube channel created needed number one needed the a Gmail account, channel logo, channel banner, channel description, channel setting, channel contain, and the videos uploading, video playlist creating, the videos, search engine optimization, thumbnail editing, etc. Total the guideline of YouTube channel creation. My videos very simple way and easily created. Every person is a normal person, educated person, etc., etc. You the creating a YouTube channel. The many thanks. Best of luck, my all friends. Thank you very much watching my video. Thank you very much. You have the chooses my video, the comment, share, any requirement, any question, the comment please now, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Best of luck.